Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is part 3 of the pandas video. We will be covering 4 more functions today: sort, unique, lock and merge. Stay tuned for the video. Can we do sorting? Yes, we can definitely do sorting as well here. So how sorting will work is you would say data dot, the function is sort values, and you will open brackets, and suppose I wanted to sort by say clicks, right? I would say by, and I could type click, right? I want to sort by that column. Suppose I want to do descending order, I could say ascending is equal to false. Okay, when I run this, you see it's sorted by clicks but in descending order. The highest clicks is coming first, 45,000 something, and last row is 934, the lowest clicks, because I put ascending is equal to false. This is how you can sort the data in Python, like using pandas. Next one, so if some of you are curious to see, okay, we have some category values, right? If you want to see the unique values of category, can we do that in Python? Yes, it's a simple one step thing. So I would say data of category, right? The column for which I want to find unique values, I would say dot unique. So when I run this, you will see the unique values, right? Pants, shoes, socks, belts, shirt, tie, armbands, whatever, sunglasses and all that. Okay, suppose I wanted to see how many values are unique, I could just put n unique instead of unique, and it will tell me, okay, there are 10 values that are basically unique. Okay, so you could just change the name of the column and find the unique values accordingly. Moving to the next one, which is called as the LOC function. It's kind of like locating. Okay, so let me again first load the data. So I would just say data.head, for example. Okay, so we have this data, right? Suppose I wanted to see the value of click in the second row, right? So basically I wanted to get this value 40698. We can actually leverage the LOC function to do it. How we would do it is you would say data.loc of, okay, we'll open a square bracket. So I wanted to see for the second row, right? So I would say second, and then I could type the name of the column for which I want to see. I would say click, and ideally it would show 40698. Let's run this and see. Yes, it returns, right? So first you put the row number, then comma, and which column you want. So instead of this, I want to see orders. I could just change it, and I would get 1300.56. So if I again run data.head to cross check, for the second row, orders is 1300.56, right? That's how you can actually locate using the LOC function in Python. Okay, one last thing I want to show before we wind up today. Say you wanted to merge two data sets. Okay, we already have our existing data set, which is this, right? Data where we have date, category, click, impression, order, cost and all that. Okay, suppose I have another data set. Okay, let me just, and I'll open this. Okay, so I have a second data set which basically has the category, okay, and the manager who is in charge for pushing that category or marketing that category. For pants it is Ajay, for shoes it is Ashish, and so on. Each category has someone, right? We have Mandeep, Sandeep, Randeep, just rhyming. So this is another data set. How would we merge, right? Suppose I wanted to see now the marketing manager name also alongside this data, right, as a new column. Can we do that? Yes, we can. So first step, we have to first import the other data that I showed you now. So how we would do that? I would give it a name manager, and I would say pd.read CSV as usual. Name of the data set is category manager.csv. okay, so I can just read that first step. Okay, so it's been read. Now in order to merge it, I could use the merge condition. So let's say the merged data frame, we want to give it a name merged. Let's say merged is equal to, first we put the name of the first data frame, which here is data dot merge, right? This is how the function works, and within bracket the first argument you put the data frame with which you want to merge. So here in this case it is manager, right, the new data frame which we just created, and then there is a condition called on. So So on what column you want to actually merge it. So category is the common column, right, in both the data set. In the data set as well as the manager data set, category is the common column. So I put that here. Okay. Then there is a condition called how. So whether you want to do a left, right or inner join similar to SQL, but it's not a must. So it will default do. So suppose I don't put that, I just run this. Okay, and then I just type merged. I want to see what happens. You will see now the merged data set has date, category, click, impression, order, cost, conversion value, right? Plus, since we have done the merge for category pants, manager is Ajay, category earrings, manager is Randeep, and so on, right? Now we get the merged data. This is like join in SQL, and as I said, we could do inner, left and right as well in Python. So this is how you can combine or merge two data sets. I hope you found this video useful. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more content on Python and other interesting topics. Till then, take care. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.